In today's trending news, did you guys know that Jennifer Tilly, the star actress in Chucky, recently revealed how she became insanely wealthy after divorcing her ex-husband, Sam Simon, who was the co-creator of The Simpsons? On a recent episode of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, she spilled the tea about how her divorce settlement gave her a slice of The Simpsons royalties. Now, that right there would make anybody lose their mind. But she, Jennifer Tilly, she actually jokes that it's like winning the lottery because the show's been running for trillions of years. Yeah, The Simpsons have been around for a long time. It's an animated cartoon that we all should be familiar with. But, as usual, when I see stories like this, my first question is always, but where's my money? Now, I believe I found where your money is. And I believe it's in this new article that I just created. It's going to help you unlock your hidden search powers. All the things that you must know about Google and Bing if you're a digital or affiliate marketer. Now, if you're interested in reading this guide, comment ready. I'll send you the link. And not only will I send you the link to this article that's going to give you all these tips, what it's going to do for you if you do decide to read this helpful guide. It's going to save you time. It's going to allow you to skip irrelevant results and zero in on what you need to help you in your business. It's also going to help you outperform your competitors, allowing you to discover hidden insights they might have overlooked. And last but not least, it's going to help you boost your productivity and allow you to optimize search to focus on scaling your business. Because in the end, we all want the financial freedom, but we also want the time freedom to go along with it. So with that, I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick trending news story for today. And I look forward to you finding where your money is. See you guys in the next video.
In a quiet suburban home, a family sought peace, but peace was not what they found. For in the corner of their living room sat an unassuming TV. A TV with a mind of its own, whisper about bills, mutter about needing a raise, and the screen will light up with promises of riches and passive income. They called it the affiliate, but it called them endlessly. Beware, what you ask for might just appear on screen.
Man, I need to make some more money. These bills is killing me.
In a world where the darkness reigns, a sinister figure emerges from the shadows. Meet Jigsaw, the twisted clown with a mind for mayhem. But what makes him so deadly? He's got the skills. Affiliate marketing skills. He learned how to lure victims with promises of easy cash and false hope. He built a website, created a funnel, and drove traffic to his twisted game. And just like that, the unsuspecting fell into his trap. With each click, they sealed their fate. Jigsaw's lair was their final destination. The screams echoed through the abandoned streets, a chilling reminder of his power. But here's the thing, folks. Jigsaw didn't just stop at murder. He used his affiliate marketing skills to spread his darkness, creating an army of mindless drones to do his bidding. The city was consumed by fear, and Jigsaw was the king. His reign of terror seemed endless until a glimmer of hope. A small group of survivors, determined to take him down. They fought hard, but Jigsaw was always one step ahead. His affiliate marketing tactics had prepared him for every move they made. And in the end, it was just him, standing victorious amidst the carnage. But here's the thing, folks. In the shadows, a spark remains. A chance for redemption, for someone to rise up and take down Jigsaw's empire. The question is, who will it be?